Hey guys, upon request I was asked to share this box that we made, the Santa Sack box, in the Cricut community. So it's been a while since I put a project over there, so this file is going to be shared publicly. I am still going to leave it for my Patreons on the design tab so you guys have quick access to it. Let me just show you how we're going to put this together. Now I am using the new Cricut foil craft board. This stuff is absolutely awesome for these boxes, guys. It turns out great. And they will hold a 2.5-inch ornament or candies, goodies, snacks, whatever you guys want to use. This stuff is awesome. It is craft board on one side and foil on the other. And with the double scoring wheels that you use for Cricut Maker, it doesn't break it down. You could probably use this for the Explore Airs too. It's not going to give you the double scoring, but it will score. And you can make those. This one is just plain craft paper. You can make them out of just about anything that you want to use. So let me show you how the box is folded. After you score it and cut it, it's going to look like this. You're just going to use, if you're using this foil craft board, you need to use red line tape. If you're using regular cardstock or craft cardstock, you can use glue, your glue of choice, art glitter glue, whatever it is that you like. But for this stuff, the glue is not going to penetrate this foil, I'll tell you that. So it's going to make it hard for it to stick to the other side. So I found red line tape holds it perfectly well. It doesn't pop apart. So you'll want to get you some of that if you're using this craft board. So the first thing I do is I'm going to fold this top back right here along the triangles. And then I am going to, right here where this line is, we're going to mountain fold. I can get a hold of it here. And just mountain fold that. Press it down. So now that I've got that folded, I am going to mountain fold these bottom tabs back. Now that those are done, you can just kind of flatten it back out. And then through the center here on these score lines, you're going to mountain fold those and mountain fold the top to match it. And then when you have it folded, you're just right here, you're going to see this diagonal score line, and it doesn't matter which way you have it facing. You're going to fold it over and bring it back and fold it the opposite direction. So you folded that in both directions. Okay, and you're going to do that on the other two scores as well. And it doesn't have to be a hard fold. It'll work out, trust me. And then you're going to do this last one. And then these tabs right here on the end, in that section, you're just going to fold to the back. Over here as well, on their score lines, fold those to the back. Don't worry about these here. They'll take care of themselves here in just a moment. And then all of your tabs you're going to fold, mountain fold, or to the inside of your box. And this craft board, this foil craft board, guys, you can fold it the other way and totally make the inside of your box reflect opposite if you want to do that. You could totally do that. But it is so pretty. I would love to see the foil on the outside. So once you've done that, let's take our red line tape off. There we go. I have a love-hate relationship with this stuff. The static electricity, and the plastic always tries to follow me. There we go. I have a piece of tape stuck to my finger. And now that you have your tape ready to go, you're just going to fold that side over, just like this with your tape exposed, and then just this last one, and just let it meet and press it down. And myself, I like to put a little bit of red line tape on this end right here. You do not have to. The box, as long as you don't put anything really, really heavy in the box, it's going to be fine. I've got a piece of plastic there. I told you it follows me, the static. But I just like to put just a little tiny piece right there on the end of this tab. And again, that's personal preference. I just don't want anything to fall out the bottom of the box. Now you're going to fold this tab in first. Fold in the sides. And then you're going to take this and you're just going to tuck it in. And it'll get in there. Make sure you put that tape on the end. I did. You want to make sure you get it as far on the end as you can. And then just give it a little press inside. Okay? Now you want to take your corners. Okay? You're looking at your box here. Each one of these corners, and you're just going to push them in. Okay? All four corners. And once you've done that, then you can just bring these in, like so. It may help to fold them just a little bit, but it'll work. Oh, I forgot to fold my mountain there. That's fine. No, I didn't. There we go. There we go. It's just that the cardstock is stiff for the first fold. And then you're just going to press these here, and then bring it to the other side and press those in there. Like I said, they'll take care of themselves. It was just a little stiff. I had a little area right there that wasn't cooperating, but it's fine now. And that's all there is to this box. It's completely done, other than tying a ribbon on it. And this is about the same color. It may or may not show up, so I'm going to add probably a piece of this gold twine to it too. I'm just going to take my ribbons and one of our members mentioned or moderators, Jamie, putting a rubber band around it if you're like me by yourself and nobody to help hold it. But it will take care of itself. You're just going to tie your ribbon and pull it tight.